As you could probably tell from the title, I'm gonna be going through sorority recruitment. I'm so excited, a little scared, not gonna lie. Only my close friends know how badly I've wanted to rush since literally before transferring to Kennesaw State University, which is where I do go and attend right now. Virtually, I guess you could say. I'm not sure how this week is gonna go, but I'm just gonna keep going and put myself through this. I still kind of wanted to show you guys like how I prepare and just different things like that, so I decided to still like make a little video about it. It's pretty much all virtual except for bid day. Wish me luck, you guys, because it's gonna be a week. I'm not gonna be filming everything in this video in one day just because I have been preparing like for a while now. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Follow me on my Instagram, especially if you are from Kennesaw. I love reading all those comments from other people that go to my same university. So who do you? And let's go on and get started with today's video. So I just got my lashes done, you guys. I love it so much. Thank you, Darby, for doing my lashes.
Just say like,
yeah, like where could people follow you?
Okay, so you can try to take my mask. Should I pull it out?
Yeah.
Okay. You can follow me at Dollfaced by Darby on Instagram.
You guys go follow her if you live in the Atlanta area or Kennesaw. One of the first things that I did to sort of like prepare for recruitment is to actually get my lashes done. I have gotten my lashes done in the past by Darby. She's literally the only person that has done my lashes, and honestly I don't think I'll ever like switch to anybody else just because like she literally just always does a good job and I know that I could trust her with my lashes. Oh yeah, also in case you were wondering, I just got like the classic lashes. I feel like they just look so good and like they still look so natural. Like I feel like you wouldn't be able to tell if they were my natural lashes or not if it wasn't like for me posting about it. I just wanted to pop in here to recommend her to you guys. I would not recommend anybody that doesn't do like a good job. If you're in the Kennesaw Marietta area, like Darby should be your girl. And obviously she was wearing a mask like when she was doing her job. Everything was so sanitary and it's only by appointment, so that really does help like who could be there and who can't. I have such a mess right now. I have these random boxes on this side. My bed is not done. I need to do my laundry. I have some packages down there of things I need to film. I have a bunch of random paper and like my whole desk area is so disorganized. I'm just gonna go ahead and get my life together in my room just because if my room isn't clean, I just feel like I can't function. Not only that, but like recruitment is virtual, so I just really want to make sure that my background looks clean and that it's kind of like a reflection of like who I am. I'm gonna do a whole entire montage starting now. Update, my bed is actually done now. It looks a lot better. I did start vacuuming my carpet on this side, but I haven't finished it on this side of my room yet, so I'm gonna have to do that soon. My laundry is currently washing now. Also, I know this area looks like a complete mess right now, but it has to be like this just because all of the items in each individual section are for like different videos and stuff like that. So for example, I have like my school supplies giveaway stuff in here. I have things for a future video in here, and I have a bunch of random things in here. These things are also for a different video. So basically everything looks messy, but it's organized like in its own way. I'm not done with this side, and I actually have to take a break right now. So the reason I'm actually taking a break is because I'm gonna go run to Ulta really quick. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that I have press-on nails, and I actually want to go to Ulta and see if they have like a different color, because I've been wearing these for months now. I do have a lot of extra nails in the same color that the pack like came in, but I just really want to go really quick to Ulta, run, and see if they have like a different color or whatnot. So we're gonna take a little break from like this side of my room and what's left of it, but honestly my room wasn't as bad as I thought in terms of being dirty, but I am gonna have to organize this paperwork and stuff that I have on this side, so that might take a while. That was honestly such a fail, you guys. They honestly did not have a lot of variety in like the nails that they had. I basically just ended up getting the same color that I already had. At first I really wasn't gonna grab it, but I was like, you know what, just in case I'll have that extra pack of nails. These were the only long ones that they had in like a neutral color, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna grab them just in case I don't have enough in the other pack that I already have at home. I'm gonna go ahead and head back home, finish cleaning, and I also need to reapply the other nails that fell off. This was literally so easy, you guys. I'll go ahead and link these in the description of this video because I've been loving these. They really are useful, especially now during this weird quarantine phase that we're in. I love these so much. It looks like I just got a manicure. We'll see if I even end up using this extra pack.
You can't tell when I'm smiling.
It's actually a little later now, and basically the only thing I got from Walmart was a Real Techniques beauty sponge. These are the main beauty sponges that I use, but the other ones that I have are just so ugly now. This was mainly the only thing I got that I really need for recruitment. I'm actually gonna go ahead and end the video off here just because it's probably long enough by now. I do have a super exciting sorority recruitment outfits of the week video. Definitely stay tuned for that video because I'm so excited to be posting that very soon, along with like my bid day reveal. If you don't already know like which one I ended up joining, please don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys very soon later this week for another video.